Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on One2Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix payment method update problem. If you're having issues with your payment method and Netflix keeps asking you to update your payment method, that could be because there is some issue with the payment method that you've added. I've just opened up this article by Netflix which says that you need to check your payment method info such as your postal code, security code, and the expiration date are correct. So let's quickly go ahead and do that. Just open up your Netflix and then just hover over your profile icon and then open up account. Once you're in this page, just click on manage payment info and click on edit. And make sure that all of your information or your card details are correct. If managing your payment method still does not work, then you just need to add in a new payment method. Either you can use a new debit or credit card, or you can also use or pay using PayPal. So once you update your payment method or change your payment method, your problems should be fixed and you won't get an error which says update your payment method. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.